It's a better way to make a green bean casserole, in my opinion. Hey guys, it's me Becca. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be making, I made my, what I normally bring to Thanksgiving side dish, and everybody seemed to enjoy it. So today I'm going to show you guys what I bring to Christmas. I mean, you could bring this to Thanksgiving too, but this is what I call dibs on during Christmas time. It is my famous, and by famous I mean my friends and family like it, green bean casserole. I like to think that my green bean casserole is just like one tier elevated of the like traditional one made with Campbell's. I mean, that one I've made it before. It's good, it's delicious. But this is just like when you want, it's Christmas, you know, you want to be a little fancier, you want it to taste a little fresher. I like using the fresh green beans just because they're a little crispier, so you get more of a green bean bite. And sometimes when you use the canned stuff, it can be a little mushy. But hey, to each their own. So I'm going to show you guys my little bit more elevated traditional green bean casserole. And I hope you guys enjoy it because, to tell you the truth, this is super delicious. And you can make it whenever you're just trying to make a fancier side for dinner. Okay guys, for this recipe, what you will need is green beans. You can use the frozen kind, you can use the fresh kind like I'm using, you could even use the canned kind. I think that the fresh kind just tastes the best and they're the most crispiest, so I like to go with the fresh. Some white mushrooms, I got mine pre-sliced. Whole milk, onion powder, black pepper, your favorite bacon. I like to use for this recipe the dry aged center cut bacon, and it has like a cherry applewood taste to it. Soy sauce. I'm gonna use the low sodium just because I don't know, that's what I have, so this is what we're using. Some cream of mushroom condensed soup. I like to use this brand Pacifica, and what is a green bean casserole without some delicious French's fried crispy onions. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is just fry up about 5 strips of bacon. I like to make mine extra crispy, so we're just going to fry these bad boys up. Okay guys, so in that same pan where we cooked our bacon, I'm going to toss about 4 ounces of mushrooms, which is about half one of those pre-cut packages. And we're just going to saute them, get them a little bit softer. Nothing too soft because this is going to be a casserole dish. Okay, and now my mushrooms are done. We're going to set them aside. Okay, so I want my water not to be exactly boiling because we're not going to cook these all the way. I just went ahead and cleaned my green beans and cut them in half so they're a little more bite-sized, and I'm just going to throw them in this water that's pretty hot. We're just going to wait for them to get like halfway done, and then we're going to rinse them and put some cold water on them again. Okay, so now that all our stuff is nice and cooked, you want to get your cream of mushroom condensed soup. I like, as again, I feel like the organic kind. How long does it take me to open up a can of condensed soup? These are not my proudest moments. There we go. Okay, now that that's done, we are going to toss this whole container into a mixing bowl. You're just going to empty it out. Then you're going to want to add 1 cup of whole milk. You're going to mix those two together. You're going to kind of create like a soupiness to it. Okay, now that those are mixed, you're going to want to add your mushrooms. And mix the fresh mushrooms in. And then you're going to want to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder. That's to taste. And then you're going to mix that as well. 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then give that another whirl. And we're going to add, and then you want to give that another mix, and then we're going to add our green beans. Ooh, it's hot. And we're just going to mix these all together. Okay, now that my French onion are mixed, we're going to do our last step, which is just go to town with black fresh grinded pepper. So this is really what adds a great amount of spice to the dish. So do as little or as much as your heart desires. I like black pepper, so I'm going to go to town. And I'm going to give everything a nice good mix. And then we are going to bake this for 35 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Okay, and at the end, after 30 minutes, we're just gonna sprinkle the leftover onions on top and pop it back, still on 350 for 5 more minutes, just so those onions get real nice and crispy. And then we'll be done. Okay guys, and now for the taste test. This is really hot, so I gotta like give it a minute. Oh, these green beans are perfect. They're just so delicious. This is absolutely delicious. I love it. You can taste mushroom sauce as well as the delicious smokiness of the bacon. It is so good, and it's absolutely, in my opinion, the best green bean casserole ever. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you guys make it for your holidays and if you guys enjoy it as well. Alright guys, so my final thoughts are, I've made this before, so it's super easy in my opinion, especially for like a dish for a holiday, because I feel like sometimes it can be really tricky, but this one right there, really mild, one of the best ones. It's a classic, and it's just a much more fresh take, a way more fresh. It's a better way to make a green bean casserole, in my opinion, than just the canned stuff. It takes just like 1 second more of work, but I really feel like it's worth it in the end, because it's not like hard work, but it's definitely delicious. I enjoy it. It's my favorite. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, leave a comment down below. Did I say that already? Oh no. Oh god. Alright, let's roll this again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. As always, make sure to leave a comment down below and like and subscribe. It really helps me out. I hope to see you guys next time.
Bum, bum, bum.